U simbot menteri rangba ka jilla uba preston tingsong ulalet ban pli u modor bashirin yeng jong Reverend JJM Nichols Roy kabalabo sa Kinmau Hamadan jong Galarity International Center for Performing Arts and Culture. Hakani gasni basa Kinmau lawan bandon bentalang ni kishpongud ki MDC ni ki District Council jong kathan stela mingi uba Paul Lingdo menteri bedekmi ya katanan Arts and Culture uba penyat sing CEM ka KCDC u pratyon manikya deburman ubade u chairman ka TTAADC ringkat kinong yalam ka balang ublay ki CEM ki sordar rangba ashnong kinong kitkam shnong mat kiwe pat ki basha khot ngobha uba prestun tingsong ulaong baga jingya tilli hapo ki district council kanlong ka jingklan ya ka 6th schedule kabalawan ra ada u Reverend JJM Nichols Roy ulaong ba amde man klad ba u Reverend JJM Nichols Roy uday u kapa ka 6th schedule but day nakadaw jong u bangila yo ya ka jingya da bat ka jingong baga district council kamlong ka badon kam henry gini ka jingkran kalong ka babakla
On behalf of the state government, I would like to welcome all the honorable CM of the district councils in the northeastern states. We have 10 district councils. Some of them CM are not here, but the representative in the form of executive members, ministers, chairman, and the members of the district council. Thank you so much. I'm very sure the conference that you have today and maybe yesterday too, if I'm not mistaken, will go a long way in helping to revisit the spirit of the sixth schedule throughout northeastern state and also in India as a whole. Friends, I think our CM of KHCC must have already mentioned about few states who does not have this council. Now they spend all the way from far away to spend few days, few weeks here in Shillong to know exactly what is the real meaning of district council, which I personally feel this is the encouragement for having more district council in the near future in our nation. So we should not forget one thing. Reverend JJM Nichols Roy here in Meghalaya is popularly known as the father of six children. And I'm very sure the sixth children was his brain, along with our late Prime Minister, the first Prime Minister of India. And ultimately, we, the generation today, and the generation to come, we enjoy, and not only that, we are being guided constitutionally by the six children. We should not allow any misinterpretation of the Constitution of India, because some forces I could see nowadays, they said that this council in the present context is irrelevant. I think that is very unfortunate. It is really, really very unfortunate. Let me tell you, in the context of Meghalaya, we are as we are because of this council. Just a few years back, India was in the turmoil, I think we all know, before passing the CAB. But let me tell you gladly, just because of the 60th, we were exempted from the purview of the CAA. So friends, I would like to again salute this greatest personality, and not only that, his family members, especially the church. He hails from the Church of God. The church leaders are here, the pastors are here. Thank you so much. You produced a wonderful and a very special personality in the name of Reverend JJM Nichols Roy. So let this small function will remain with us, and it will go down to the history not only of Meghalaya, but it will go down to the history of the sixth schedule in India.
A round of applause, please, everyone.
Okay.
Round of applause.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Called me up and asked me if I could make it. So that was a little few days, about around 2 weeks earlier. So I said it's very difficult. It's not possible to say whether it's possible or not, but I'll try my level best. So I know I was nervous. I know that I'm taking such a big risk, whether it will happen or not. But with my junior artists who are there around me, we have take it as a challenge that we discussed, that we thought that it is possible to do it. Then I gave the word to Ba Panyan, and he immediately confirmed that I should go ahead. So I express my thanks also to Ba Sim Yong, the secretary, Ba Polong, and all other officers of the KHADC who are lending me a helping hand to make it happen. And now that it has come up here in this, I feel very proud of myself, very proud on behalf of the Tea Academy, and I'm very proud on behalf of the community, Khasi community, and the entire state. And likewise, I'm very grateful also to each and every one of you who are here to have witnessed this unveiling of the statue. This is a very short information about how we have gone about to sculpt this sculpture of our dear Reverend JJM Nichols Roy.